Hey everybody, welcome to another video and thank you for coming and joining me for the first time. If it's the first time you clicked on one of my videos, I do a different technique every week, and this week is the waterfall technique. It's day 4 and I think yesterday went really well. If you haven't watched that one, definitely check that one out. I think it went better than Monday or Tuesday, and the only thing I can think that I did differently was that I laid out a base coat and I used the split cup. So I'm gonna use the split cup again and lay a base coat down again. I don't know, let's see how this one goes. Let's do some painting. Well, you guys, I'm just gonna stop there. I don't even know what to think of this technique yet. I'm trying to decide if I like it or not. I don't know. It's different. It's cool. I might do it every once in a while just to kind of mix it up and see what might come of it. But I have seen some that people have done on YouTube that turn out just so awesome and amazing looking. I don't know if I feel that way about mine. This pink in person is way bright. It's so much brighter than it is than it looks like in the video. But I will bring you guys back in just a second, show you what this one looks like dry. Here it is dry, you guys. I don't know what to think of this one. It's like, I like it, but I don't. And even if you don't really care for it, it's pretty crazy, you know, that one that you might hate, somebody else loves. And so that just shows me that there is a piece of artwork, or there's a person for every piece of artwork out there, you know? So even if you don't care for it, don't toss it, don't throw it away. Somebody out there is probably in love with it. So let me know what you guys think of this one. Leave me a comment, hit that thumbs up, subscribe if you've not subscribed. I would love that. Share with a friend, and I will see you guys in the next one.